Okay, I think it's starting. Oh my god, I see it.
Mabuhay Manila. Welcome to Davao Puerto Martin Zoo, working with nature for a better future. We are the Tribo of Mindanao Cultural Institute, a village showcasing Mindanao culture. And this time, you will witness a glimpse of the DJ's dances of Mindanao.
Where's my mom? My mom's right there. My mom is like there, and the pink phone.
Mindanao dances. Mindanao dances are traditional Filipino folk dances such as Katiyan, Halloween, and Tapang of Malay. The showcase at this moment. And this is characterized by graceful movement and a costume and
My
by
papa.
reflecting the Mindanao people's rich cultural heritage and Islamic traditions. Once again, I'm inspired by Mindanao dances.
burning hot.
You're the breeze of the natural world and be amazed with the works of nature. Welcome to Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. That is now witness the parade of the animal ambassadors.
The annual what? Let's go down.
A round of applause for the parade of Steve, and I'll be your host for this morning show. Now, quick background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a
The bottom one is so
for
lame.
endangered and wild animals, and we have been preserving these animals since 2005, and we are in coordination with the DNR, DOT, and BAI. Now, as I read of saying, thank you for being with us on this prolific morning. We brought to the show where you will meet our animal ambassadors and get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow muna, okay? Nauna po, sa mga nakatayo po, please find a seat. Ayan, upo lang po tayo. And folks, do not attempt to touch our animals while the show is ongoing po. This is for your safety and of course, for the safety of your animals as well. And second, to those who are eating, I'm so sorry, but food is not allowed during the show. So kindly finish it up or finish it later after the show po. And lastly, to those who want to take photos and videos with their animals, so guys, bawal po ang camera. Charot lang. Pwede po ang camera. So kindly turn off lang po yung ating mga flash. Okay? Because most of our animals here are light sensitive. So pwede po ang cameras, mag-double check lang natin ang ating mga flash. Okay. Now the reason why we call them our animal ambassadors is because they represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom. To give you a message that is to protect, to preserve, and of course, do not destroy their habitat. So please help us with our mission in conserving them. And folks, by the way, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. And mukhang ready na nga ang ating mga animal ambassadors. Now the question is, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Yes, kulang pa. Are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Yes, alright now folks, let's meet our first animal ambassador. Giving you his welcoming flight, now may I call on Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. Ayan siya eh. There we go. Once again folks, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. The scientific name of Haliacus yokogaster. Yoko meaning white and gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them the white-bellied sea eagle. Now, white-bellied sea eagles are commonly found in coastal areas of Australia, India, and here in the Philippines. They are actually the second largest eagles in the Philippines, with a wingspan that could reach up to 2 meters or 7 feet wide. So, ganyan po kalapad ang kanilang mga pakpak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na po sila. Ayan, excuse me muna po, pulang muna tayo ha, ayan. Ayan po, as you can see, Lakas is our second largest eagle with a wingspan that could reach up to 2 meters.
Oh my God, that was scary. That was scary.
So, kalapad ang kanilang mga pakpak, talagang pag nasa adult size na po sila. Nalakas here is a raptor. And raptor came from the Latin word rapire, meaning to seize or to drag away. As you notice po, we are reaching natin is wearing a protective glove because the raptors have sharp and powerful talons po. Now, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in our property park and zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the brown minicaid, the white-bellied seagull, which is the Lakas, our Philippine serpent eagle, and the eastern glass owl. And that's all for Lakas po. Palakpakan po.
Dito na ako, bababa ako ko.
Alright, now moving on na tayo
I'm
to our
going down.
next animal ambassador folks. And they call them the alarm clock of the rainforest. Nakala the Philippine great hornbills na sina Mr. Bill and JJ. There you go, once again folks. That is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine great hornbills with the scientific name of Poceros mindanensis. Mindan meaning and ensis meaning belonging to, therefore belonging to Mindanao. As you can see po, their bills or ang kanilang mga tukha, it comprises 30% of its body. And also, they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita natin ang kanilang mga pilik mata sa malapitan. Legit yan guys. Hindi sila nagpa-eyelash extensions. Okay, this morning, magpapakitang gila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tukha. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna. Okay? Now folks, at the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, what's the word? Fly. Let's practice first. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Ready na ang ating mga bisita mga kuya? Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Okay, now folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... Fly! What a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. Now folks, when you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, You are so very lucky because you're actually in mating ritual. So nanliligaw po ang mga lalaking kalaw na gumagawa yan. Mas maraming insekto ang na-catch ni lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl ng kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Yes po, may forever po sa ating mga kalaw, no? Sa mga single ladies natin out there. Kung naghahanap kayo ng forever folks, alam na natin, nandito lang ang mga trainers. Ay, joke lang. O, ano kayo magkapagitan dito sila? Again, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang po at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Alright, those are our Philippine great hornbills, or also known as dinosaurs. Ang personal trainers, Kuya Jimor and Kuya Manny. And by the way, folks, fun fact pala about our hornbills, unlike most birds who walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from place to place or tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Okay, now moving on na tayo to our next animal ambassador. Ito makulay po ito. And galing po ito ng Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now may I call on Bara. That is Bara, our blue and gold mascot, and Kuya Boy. Naka-pieces ka dyan, Kuya. Alright, once again, folks, that is Bara. Okay, so mga kiddos natin na nasa harap, and this is your chance. Na-feed po si Bara. Okay? Practice mga kiddos lang po muna, ha? Okay, mamaya na kayo, guys. So,
How lucky.
Okay, mga kiddos, just open your hands. Let Barak get the seed, okay?
How lucky, bro.
Okay, mga bata, lapitan natin si Kuya Poy. Bibigyan tayo ng sinula.
Lapit ako, bahala kayo,
Okay, but guys, no lang po yan. So, kayo guys, after the show. Mamaya after the show, you will still have your own chance with the actual ambassadors. Alright? Okay, don't worry, Kuya, mamaya may chance ka ba? Okay, alright folks, once again, that is Barak, our blue and gold macaw, with the scientific name of Araw-Araw-na, meaning genius. So why are they called the geniuses? Because they have a mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. Yes po, magkasing talino lang ni Barak, ang 4 na taong gulang na bata. Ito sample. Barak, appear daw tayo kay Kuya Poy. High five. Appear. One more time, isa pang high five. Appear. Appear. Alright. And hindi lang yan, folks. Si Barak dito ay napakalambing din. Napakasweet din po ito ni Barak. Barak, about kiss mo naman si Kuya Poy sa pisngi. Sige, kiss kay Kuya Poy sa cheeks. Wow! Talaga guys, kita mo sa mukha ni Kuya Poy, mukhang nabitin pa si Kuya Poy. Isa pa daw Barak, pero this time, ito yung gusto ni Kuya Poy, folks. Kiss mo si Kuya Poy sa lips, Barak. Sige daw, kiss kay Kuya Poy sa lips. Wow! And there you go. At hindi lang yan, folks. Did you know that blue and gold macaws do not build their nest? Instead, they look for hollow tree and put twigs inside using their prehensile beak. Or naghahanap po sila ng puno na may malaking butas at nilalagyan po nila ng mga branches or mga twigs para gawing nest po. And this morning, papakita po ni Barak ang kanilang nesting behavior. Alright, ang Kuya Boy, again, ano nun dyan? Dyan yung ating dalawang branches po. And again, magsiserve po yan as mat ng kanilang nest. Alright, ang Kuya Boy, ready ka na ba? Okay, ready na si Barak. At ikaw, mag-free na patanagan ang mga branches. 1, 2, 3, and go! Alright, there you go. Slowly but surely, boy. Ayan na. And there you go. As you can see po, no, parang speaking of the quick, using their freehand style beat. And their freehand style beat, folks, allows them to have extra hands po, no? Or paano po itong mga kamay para sa ating mga parents po. And we still have one more left, boy. As you can see, folks, they also have what we call Zygodaxel feet. Zygodaxel feet is 2 toes facing forward, 2 toes facing backwards, allowing them to grab any objects. In case di ba, allowing him to climb on the branch po. And pagpasensya nyo na si Barak guys, ha? Maliit po yung kanyang paa. Okay? And there you go. Palakpakan po natin si Barak. And of course, before we say goodbye to Barak, sana po ay pangalagaan natin ang ating kalikasan. Once again, that's all for Barak. Palakpakan po natin sa kanyang personal trainer na si Kuya. Thank you so much for about the blue. And folks, blue and gold macaws are the 4th largest macaws in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Okay, now moving on na tayo sa our next animal ambassador, folks. Kung makulay si Barak, puting-puti naman po ang ating next na tatawagin. Just like the plants. Now may I call on Beauty. And there you go. Once again, folks, that is Beauty, our sulfur crescent cockatoo with a scientific name of